Hi, hello, and welcome back to another new video of Learning Excel with me in a channel called All About HR. So, I don't know how much you people miss me, but in these 2 days, I really missed you all. So, coming to today's topic, in today we would be learning how to we do a subtotals. Okay, so basically, subtotaling we do is based on the criteria that we give, and the criteria could be like here you can select the different types. For example, here I would be selecting department as my unique value, and based on each department how much is the cost, quantity and total value I wanted to check. Okay, so for that what I would be doing is like I select the column D, go to the data, click on sort by ascending order or descending order as per your choice. So once you sort the data, ta-da, it's done here, right? Here for example, let's make it as 12 rupees. So once you do that, select this total and go to uh, this one subtotally. Once you go there, select the criteria for which you wanted to update the groupings. So ideally we are applying the subtotal based on the grouping session, right? And subtotal is helpful when you have a multiple departments in your organization, and you want to know the appropriate cost value you have spent, or the profits that the team has made, or the quantity spent on raw materials, or the quantity you have spent for um, some internal work for the company's infrastructure, something like that. So that is the reason for each department you might be set a segregated amount of this one, right? Like how much cost needs to go for this or how much cost needs to go that. So for that purpose, here I'm selecting department as my unique value for division of a given data. So once I select here, so I'm primarily looking for the calculation of the cost, quantity and total value. So what I would be doing here is I would be selecting all like cost, quantity and total value. When you see the second drop down like use function, so here you do have multiple other Excel formulas such as count, average, max, mini, product, so on and so forth. All this. But since we are not working on all those things, so I would like to select only till here. Click on OK. So now my data is ready. Here you can see like department wise. For department 1, so these are the total cost, quantity and total value that have been spent. And for department 2, total value, quantity, cost. Department 3, department 4, department 5. And here you can see the grand total. And guys, let me show you all a secret. And the secret here is like if you see on your left hand side, right? So click on one, it shows you the grand total. Click on two, it shows you only a department wise costs. And click on three, boom, it shows you the complete data. I hope you people like this video. If you liked it, please do share with all of your friends who are struggling to understand what subtotal is of exactly. This video would be helpful for them, and also find the attachment here below in the description for a practice. And also if you haven't watched my previous videos, go and watch the videos guys, because I'm teaching you all in Excel from beginner level till the advanced. And if you have any comments or concerns, I'm ready to take them up, and I'll make sure personally I would be aiming you all to all the comments. Thank you so much, love you all, keep smiling and keep rocking, bye bye.